Hello guys, today we are going to subnetting with a class C IP address. So here is a class C IP address and this is the subnet mask. Subnet mask specify how many bits are given to network and how many bits are given to hosts. So this subnet mask I write here in binary form. So all these are for network and fourth octet 8 bits used for host, which will give us 256 address and one address used for network ID, one for broadcast. So this 8 bits will give us 254 valid host. So assume that your manager give you this IP address and ask you to create 7 network. So our requirement here 7. So for this requirement we have to check our power of 2 tables. If we look here, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So my requirement 7 network will fit here. So we go for 2 to the power 3. So here 3 is the number of network bits. That means to get 8 network we need 3 network bit. So we always take network bit from left to right and host bits from right to left. So we need 3 network bits. So I take 1, 2, 3 and I draw a line here. So this 3 network bit is now going to use for network. So they will be changed in ones. So what is our new subnet mask? The last time our subnet mask was /24. That means 24 bits was used for network. Now we add 3 more bits. So now our new subnet mask will be /27. And this subnet mask will be changed as well. These 8 ones give us 255, and if we add all these 8 give us 255 and these 8s give us 255. But in here it's not 0 anymore because this has been changed. So this value is 128 and this 64 and this 32. So if we add these 3 bits value together, they will be 224. So our subnet mask 4th octet now 224. So our new subnet mask is 192.168.100.224. So now we get our new mask. So what is our first network ID? So first network ID always start from 0. So this will be our first network ID 192.168.100.0. So now the question is, what is our next network ID? So to get our next network ID, we have to find the block size. The block size is how many total hosts in each subnet. Block size is equal to 2 to the power h. So h here number of zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. So our block size will be 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. So our block size is 32. That means our network will increment it by 32 every time. So this will be 192.168.100.0 plus 32. So the next one will be 192.168.100.32. So what is our next network ID? So again 32 will be added here. So the next one will be 64. For next network ID, again 32 will be added with 64. So 196. Next one again 32 will be added, and so on. So now what is the broadcast ID for this network? The broadcast ID for this network will be just before the next network ID. So the next network ID is 32, so broadcast will be 31. And what is the broadcast ID for this network? The broadcast ID for this network will be just before the next network. So the next network is 64, so broadcast will be 63. And what is the broadcast ID for this network? The broadcast ID for this network will be just before the next network. So the next network is 96, so this will be 95, and so on. Now what is the first usable host for this network? The usable host for this network will be just next to it. So network ID for this will be 1. And this network 32, and network first usable host for this network will be 33. This network 64, so first usable host will start from 65, and so on. And now what is the last usable host for this network? The last usable host for this network will just before the broadcast. So the broadcast ID for this network is 31. So this will be 30. This class C, so first 3 octet always remain same, only the 4th octet will be changed. So broadcast ID is 192.168.100. That just before 31 is 30. And the last usable host for this network just before the broadcast. So broadcast 63. So last usable host for this network will be 62. And broadcast for this network is 95. So the last usable host will be 94, and rest of them are so on. So number of networks, how many networks we got? So there, this is a formula to get this number of networks is 2 to the power n. N is number of ones. So here is 3. So 2 to the power 3. So in our table, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So number of network is 8. Next question, number of hosts. So number of hosts per subnet. So number of hosts per subnet is 2 to the power h minus 2. H here number of zeros. I mean number of host bits. So how many number of zeros or how many host bits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to the power 5 minus 2. 2 to the power 5 minus 2. So equal to 32 minus 2. So we have 30 hosts per subnet. That means every subnet we have 30 valid hosts. So how many total hosts? So this 30 is 30 hosts every subnet per subnet. So total host will equal to how many subnet we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 30 into 8. Into 8, 240 total host. I hope this would be helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.